Ah man, this is gonna be so damn good. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to another video here today. Well, here's what I'm starting. My battery is literally about to die. I'm charging my second one right now, but I got installed the fuse, like the whole chassis harness back up in this car somehow in a point where you're not even gonna see it. So that's today's task, at least the start of today. It's quite late. It's like 6, 7 o'clock right now. Alright guys, so we have the fuse box harness kind of routed where I want to probably go with it. Then we're running along the upper part here, coming down. This stuff, forgot exactly what all this stuff is for here. Over here, have no idea what this stuff is for. But then also, just by the way guys, I know it doesn't look too great right now. Well, you know, of course this will all be covered. But up in here at least, I'm going to go ahead and get some of that nylon kind of cool, nice braided loom tube, not the plastic crappy one you can get at Walmart. And you know, originally this went like up in here, right behind here, and it had this crazy nasty, like, you know, we can't put that in the car, so that'll all be good. This won't be in the way of anything, which will be nice. You'll know behind here anyways. Moving along this side here. Here is my fuse box, temporarily. If you guys can see, it's like a hardcore shadow area down here, but it's currently just bolted to the frame rail. I just kind of have it there mocked to kind of see if I want to roll with it. Here, not really too sure. Maybe like a, maybe I see a horn. We got a horn. Don't know what that is. Some sort of a fan. Oh no. This is Ronnie. This is the look at that. It's my fog light, man. Have it all kind of going through some holes. You know, got it all bolted up. We're running along here. You know, obviously out of the wheel well area. I will clean it up obviously a bit more. And I kind of got both of the wiper relays and fuses kind of semi-tucked, I guess you could say, because they obviously went in here. So yeah, man, I mean, this engine bay is gonna be so clean, man. I really don't want anything on the wheel tubs besides just intercooler piping and, you know, intakes and stuff like that. But I got the tensioner on. That's bolted up. I cleaned up the interior a little bit. Currently right now, you guys are probably gonna laugh at me, but I'm actually gonna, I don't wanna see the green, you know, mixed in with all this nice whiteness. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna sand the top hats down, and we'll go ahead and toss like some black paint on them. This one, while I've never body worked a coilover hat before, but you know, there's a first for everything. Yeah, man, I'm happy. We're making moves. Things are going together really nicely. What's up, guys? So yes, it is the next day. It looks so nice out, but man, it's cold. I actually just picked up another heater. I mean, yeah, did I even mention that I repainted my valve covers? I don't even know if I mentioned that to you guys, but those are obviously repainted. No yellowing. They look super fresh, man. So good. Loving that, man. Loving that. We got this side kind of semi-sorta assembled. As you can see now, you know, much nicer looking up top here, as opposed to if it was like a green color that would have been just straight up in your face. So there we have the nice gloss black top hats. This one we still have to go ahead and install, but as you guys can see, a little different. Sorry, teen, I love your coilovers, but I had to change your color. So for our swap, all we need are the starter wire and alternator wire in the harness. So I just have to figure out which wire on the VG harness. I don't believe it's this side because these look like really tiny wires. I could be wrong. I say now we're gonna go ahead and just button up this side of our whole suspension assembly, just get it all together. That way we kind of have things out of the way, back up in the car, and it's got to get done regardless. So let's go ahead and button this side up, shall we? Alright guys, much time has passed. Obviously it's dark. This new heater, by the way, much better. I can actually hear myself think when it's on. It's great. Right now guys, we're gonna go ahead and dive into some new parts right now. So this is what we're going to go ahead and mess with next. I don't know if it shows in the thumbnail. It probably does. Maybe if I can get far enough today. But just a quick update. I tried the powder coating machine, pretty legit. If you guys wanna, I guess I'll kind of show you guys how to use it. There's like this little like a little metal bracket piece or like cover piece that goes over this rubber grommet that we cleaned up, put it all on. It looks really good. Brake lines, kind of have them round. I gotta clean up this whole engine bay, by the way. It's pretty damn gross right now. Those are all on. Obviously you guys saw we kind of got everything assembled over here. But yeah, brake lines, I definitely should have put those in before I put the motor in. I kind of had to articulate and bend them and kind of get them where they need to be. Over here, currently painting up. I'm on the second coat, base coat, just on some our tension rod brackets. Got to paint those up, make them look really good. They were super gross and crusty and rusty. That's happening over there. Power wash those, clean those up. Power wash the brake boost, clean that up. Clean the inside up a little bit. Got that all put back together somewhat. But yes, guys, now I'm gonna start working on. Let's just open these up and see what we got inside. I love it. This is great. This has been sitting in my damn garage for probably like a good month. This is a big boy. Packaging's pretty legit. I can't lie. Got a box in a box. Ooh, yeah. Oh, this is the Big Daddy. That 4-inch core light. Oh, yeah. My China core, bro. Yes, alright, so at least it has a good core. Well, it's not a, you know, it's not just, it has a good, it's got a core that's not crap in it. Let's just put it that way. And you guys can see, I don't know if you guys have seen some intercoolers, but they have like this weird thing going on in there where this one doesn't, so I'm pretty happy about that. Oh, it's gonna look good in there, man. I'm sure you guys already know what's in here. So, we have got our assortment of rubber silicone couplers, a lot of T-bolt clamps, and here we have our polished 3-inch intercooler piping. That's like a universal kit. Watching a bit of the homeboy Jimmy Oaks, you know. Yo, I try to hit that man's up. You guys gotta help me out and hit him up for me as well. Tag him, whatever you guys gotta do. We gotta get our Z's together. You know what I mean? It's gotta happen. But guys, here we go. So I just want to show you guys real quick. I got myself a little bit of a, you know, you cut yourself. It was a silicone vacuum hose. Cut your length, slice it in half, and kind of slot it around your opening. And look at that, we have a sweet looking nice seal. So this will obviously protect our pipe from getting cut or rubbing or whatever like that on a hard edge. Alright, so I kind of gave up on the piping for now. Now we're switched to that Taylor Ray life. But no, for real, I kind of gave up right now. I decided well, not giving up, but I'm moving on to the intercooler. I think that's going to be the next best thing to kind of mess with. Alright, so it is probably an hour or two later. Jared has joined us. Yes. Went to Home Depot. I think this is just a common thing. Went to Home Depot, picked up a Sawzall just because, like, I don't know. I feel like there's so many times where I could use one. It'd be nice to actually have one when we cut the pipe as well, because when you use a grinder, sometimes you don't end up on the point you started on, and it just gets real messy. So we also picked up some aluminum. I got some angle. Well, this is crimped, but I got some angle and nice little flat bar. So instead of using steel, we'll just use aluminum. So here's the first little mount that we got going on. I'm pretty excited about it. We got, oh wow, that wasn't even, oh wow, okay, I was on manual focus the whole time. That's pretty much done and mounted. We have a crimped up L bracket or 90 whatever, and got ourselves bolts up to the factory. You know, they got this little spot right there. There's a little threaded hole right here. Utilize that, put a little spacer in it, bolted that up. Works great. We actually have the intercooler at a bit of an angle, because therefore when the air comes in and it hits it, it actually hits it more, kind of, you know, cools the fins a little bit better. Science. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm actually in the process of making my second one, and once this is made, you can see I got my one hole right there, and then once this is made, she'll pretty much be held up on her own, so I'm pretty excited about that. It's looking great. Looking real good. Nothing but good. Yeah. We have an intercooler, boys, and she's mounted. Damn right she's mounted. So we have our two that I showed you up here, and then we have our two new ones. I didn't really figure, you know, I just kind of cut up some metal and drilled some holes. I didn't really feel like I needed to show you guys that. It wasn't too interesting, but I just kind of bent them up a little bit, because the intercooler is at an angle. Can you guys even see what I'm talking about? Maybe, probably not. The nice thing is about aluminum, they will not rust, you know, so I don't really need to worry about painting them. They're good, they're done. I will go ahead and probably trim up the edges and just kind of grind them down, make them look a little bit nicer and smoother. But otherwise, I mean, this thing is, I mean, she is on there, she is not budging. So now, let's start working on our cold side pipe, eh? Current kind of idea is just to run a 90-degree coupler off of the intercooler right up here, and then run that back here, and then have a 90 shoot it kind of up into our hole up there. So okay. It has an intercooler pipe on it. Well, a pipe. Butter, dude. Talk about a setup. You know, I mean, this could be a thing. So this is gonna be our pipe that comes off of our throttle body. We'll kind of do that kind of deal right there. And then that'll go ahead and tie back in with our first piece, which is, as you guys can see down there. And to get those two to tie together, we just need a little bit of a bend. So we're gonna go ahead and use this, chop like the center section out and use that portion of the bend to go ahead and fill that gap. However, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that tomorrow. Another little thing that, oh, by the way, super stoked how clean those brackets came out. Oh yeah, so I put in my I put in my tension rod brackets, got those painted up. I don't even know if I showed you, but hot damn, they look nice. I mean, it's coming along so well, guys. We'll finish the piping tomorrow. A lot of stuff got done today, guys, so sorry, I didn't really film too much. Just grinding. So if I forgot to mention something, which I probably honestly did, tune back in for tomorrow. There's going to be a lot of stuff going down. We're going to try to finish the intercooler pipe, may even get to the hot side, even though we have a new turbo coming. It should generally be in the same area. But yeah, we're making moves, guys. This thing is going to be done sooner than later. We'll definitely be driving it in the next couple weeks, tops. So toss a thumbs up, man. If you guys are still watching, it would mean the world to me. If we get over 1,000 likes in this video, it would be sweet. It's almost 1 in the morning. Got to get this video edited up for you guys for tomorrow. Well, technically today. But yeah, I'm excited. This thing's coming out really well with its intercooler. I mean, it's starting to come alive, man. It's starting to come alive. So hope you guys are hyped. I'm super hyped, man. This is huge. This is gonna be insane. This is gonna be insane. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Have a good night. Peace.